Welcome to our PYQ of Science and Tech series. And yeah, this question is belong from that when this question is taken from the 2025 UPSC PYQ. Okay, let's go to study this. First statement 1. Studies indicate that carbon dioxide emission from cement industry account for more than 5% of the global carbon emission. Statement 2. The silica bearing clay is mixed with limestone while manufacturing cement. Statement 3. Limestone is converted into lime during clinker production for cement manufacturing. Which one of the following is correct with respect to the above statement? A. Both statements second and third are correct and both of them explain the statement 1. B. Both statements second and the third are correct but only one of the explain the statement 1. Only one of the statement 2 and statement 3 is correct and that explains statement 1. D. Neither statement 2 nor statement 3 is correct. Here guys, before going to answer this question, please try to solve by yourself by pausing this video. Okay. Now let's go to the try to answer these questions. Okay. Here studies indicate that carbon dioxide emission from the cement industry account for the more than 5% of the global carbon emission. This is not 5% guys. This is 6.5 to 8%. We have to we need to know the percentage of the global carbon emissions from the industries also, which main industry from the core industry. We have to know how much the emission will be happening for the climate purpose, and then when we know the data, then only we can do these questions. Means 6%, right? If we don't know more than 6 to 8%, then how we could eliminate this? Because of this statement only, statement 1 is wrong. Okay, statement 1 is wrong. And here silica bearing now see statement second what will help. Silica bearing clay is mixed with limestone while manufacturing the cement. Yeah, this is right. And plus go first try to understand the manufacturing of the cements. Okay, in that first step what will happen, the limestone and clay, that is clay has silica and alumina. This mixture when heated at the 1450 degrees Celsius, there will be calcination reaction happen in that clay. Okay, that will produce lime and carbon dioxide. Here also emission happening. See guys, in calcination process also, calcination reaction, emission is also happening. And this lime is mixture with the silica in clinker, that will form the clinker. Okay, this lime is mixture with silica that will form clinker. When that clinker is mixed with the gypsum, that will give rise to the cement. Okay, and you got to know how the process. Here guys, what is silica bearing clay is mixed with limestone while manufacturing cement. Second one is got to know, it is right. Okay, here silica and limestone mixture is need to know in the, and limestone is converted into lime during clinker production. Yeah, this is right. Limestone is converted into lime during clinker production. This one guys, this limestone is converted into the lime. Okay, then this also right. Both also right. Okay, statement statement second and third are correct. Okay, both of they explain the statement one. This is not right. This is not right. Okay, here answer B. Both statement second and third are correct, but only one of them explain the statement one. Okay, here this when limestone is converted into the lime during clinker production, cement manufacturing. Here, when limestone is converted into the lime, with the help of with that when in that reaction, carbon dioxide also emit. So that will help the carbon emission. That that will help the carbon emission. So that will contribute the statement first, means they are talking about the global carbon emission. Second to the third statement will come leaned with, okay, third statement is aligned with the first statement. So here only one of the explain the statement one. It may be correct. Okay, let's see another two question. Only one statement, second and third is correct. No, this is wrong. Both the statement are correct while manufacturing in statement. Okay. Neither statement, this is also wrong. So we can get to know B is correct. I hope guys you can get, and you can know the cement process here, and it is chemical reaction from the calcination carbon dioxide emission, right? Carbon dioxide is emitted, and from the fuel also we can emit the carbon dioxide. And just remember guys this fact also, 1.6 billion ton of carbon dioxide emitted in 2022, and this is the major climate polluter, and this is the third and fourth sector in globally it is emitted, third most largest sector, not third. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you get this question, how to make this question is right and how to not, and I hope you can get very insightful knowledge here. And also please let me know in the comment section it is helping or not.